In this lesson, I will explain to you how to make a pie chart by using Matplotlib. Before going to start, I will explain to you what is a pie chart. So a pie chart is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. So simply you can say that pie chart is a circle chart in which you can have slices according to the numerical proportion. So I will run these functions, then it will be more clear how to make a pie chart. But keep in mind, first of all, you have to import matplotlib in pie by using this function import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and the second line modulo operator matplotlib inline you have to write down if you are using the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so here I have made two arrays. One is the pounds, these are the numbers 10 pounds, 20 pounds, and so on. And this one we have snack. So suppose cake has 10 pounds, nuts we have 20 pounds, and so on. If we want to make a pie chart between these two parameters, so you have to write down plt.pie function. Remember, when we were making the bar chart, we were using plt.bar. When we were making the histogram, we were using hist. Similarly, we have to use plt.py, and here in these parentheses we have to write down pounds, this function, and this is the label because these are the items, so we have to write down labels is equal to snack. When I will run this function, you will see we will have a pie chart. So this is cake, nuts. So keep in mind that first item is cake because we have to use later on cake. So always our pie chart starts from this angle, from this side. This is the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So it moves like this, right? Cake is the first item, but see, it should be in a circle shape. It is a oval shape. So what we have to do, it is very simple. We have to use the plt access equal function for circle shape, plt dot access, and in parentheses you have to write down equal, and then when we will run it, then you can have very nice circle shape pie chart, right? So see, when I will run, we can have these lines. If you do not want these lines, so what you have to do, simply you have to add plt.show function. These two lines are same, plt.show function. When I will run this, then you can have only your pie chart without the lines, right? Okay, move on. If suppose you want to increase the diameter of your pie chart, right? It's up to you according to your choice. So you have to use the radius parameter, and I have mentioned here to increase the diameter, use radius parameter. So radius here I have written 2. You can try 1.5, 1, 3, whatever you want, but I have written 2 here. So when I will run this, then you can see we have a pie chart of radius 2, right? Okay, now move on to the other function. We have to use the auto pct function if you want to see. So see here, these are only the labels are here. We want the percentage here as well. So if you want to see the percentage, then you have to use this function auto percent, and then in quotation you have to write down percent sign, and then here I have written 0. So what is the meaning of this 0? When I will run, I will show you that you have a round figure 29%, 15%, 18%, 16%, and 22%. You said no, I want my answer two decimal places, up to two decimal places, right? So I have made it 0.2. When I will run it, so you will see it will be 29.41, 14.71. So after decimal we have two places. If you say no, I want only one, so just make it 1. And if you will make it 0, then it will round. So 29.4, after decimal we have one place. In all the slices you can have 1 after decimal, right? So you have to use auto percent function. Now if you want to see your pie chart more attractive, then you have to add the shadow function. Shadow is equal to true. So see, now we do not have any shadow here, but when I will run this shadow function, you will see there is a shadow. right? These are very simple functions, but I will recommend you that you have to go to the Matplotlib and find out the properties of a pie chart. This is one of the most important property which I am going to show you. This is called the explode function, explode property, right? And here I have written explode function apply according to the sequence, right? Okay. So the question is, you will ask me that why I have written 5 times 0 0 0, because I have 5 items. It's up to you. If you have 6 items or 4 items or 3 items, so 1 2 3 4 5, I have 5 items. That is why I have written 5 times 0. If I will run 0 0 0, so you will see nothing will happen. Everything is same. But here I am going to use that part that see here. This is first part, this is second, because from here the pie chart start always from this angle and it will rotate like this. I say this piece and this is the nuts. I want to take out nuts from here. So what you have to do, just make it 0.3. It's up to you. Make it 0.4, 3, 1, whatever you want according to your situation. So see, it's come out from the rest of the slices. Same thing, the last one, if you say okay, I want to make it zero point 0.6, and what is the last one? The last one is this purple one, and the purple one is pretzels. So when I will run this is the explode is very important function in pie slices. So see, so you can apply all these one by one, make it whatever 0.2, 0.4, 0.5 and practice it. Okay, now the last function, there are too many functions. This is the start angle functions, right? I have told you only the important one. So what will happen with the start angle? As I have told you, the pie chart starts from this angle. If you want to rotate all your slices, so here I have written I want to rotate it up to 60 degree. So when I will run it, so you will see my blue slices here. Now I want to rotate it at 160 degrees, so you can play with it, make it 90 degree, 180 degree. So see, now is here. So this is important features of the pie chart. So make your own scenario, change the numbers, change the items, practice it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.